Hello guys and welcome to Tech Tricks tutorial. In today's video, I will show you how to unlock Facebook account easily. So if you're seeing this on your screen upon login, please keep on watching. First, go to any browser and search Facebook Help Center. Click on Facebook Help Center website. Once you're in, click on the three dashed lines at the bottom right of your screen and select Login and Password. Next, click on Fix a Login Problem. Click on Recover your Facebook account if you can't log in. Scroll down until you find the question, "Was this helpful?" and select No. From there, Facebook will ask you what went wrong. Select the solution doesn't work. Facebook will then allow you to express your concerns to be sent to their team. Type in your concern with the format, "Dear Facebook team, my Facebook account has been locked since," enter the date. The problem seems to be about the confirmation of my identity. This account is important to me, so please help. Here is my account information. And then type in your name, number, email, and birthday. Then submit. And that's it. You only have to wait 2 or 3 days for the Facebook team to solve your problem. If you found this tutorial helpful, please like, share, and subscribe for more tech tricks. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!